how to set the side button, double press to start the voice recording on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down, then tap on advanced features. Now tap on the side button. Then at the top, tap on double press. Make sure you turn on double press. Then go down and select voice recorder. Now you can see here it says open voice recorder. So tap on the settings icon. And in the list, we're going to change it to start recording. Okay. After that, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now, whenever you want to quickly start recording your audio, just double press on the side button here. This will launch voice recorder and immediately it will start recording like so. So here, I'm just going to tap on the start button. So we're going to do it again because we haven't set up voice recording before, but now if I press on it, it will start recording. Okay, so once you have set up your voice recorder, it will allow you to instantly start voice recorder and start recording. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And that is how you can set the side button, double press to start recording immediately on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra.